If your internet says it's connected but websites just won't load, don't panic. This is a very common issue, and in most cases it's caused by a DNS or network configuration problem. The good news is you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps clearly and simply so you can get back online fast. First, click on the search bar on your computer and type Control Panel, then open it. Once you're inside the control panel, click on Network and Internet. From there, select View Network Status and Tasks. This will show you your current connection status. On the left-hand side, you'll see an option that says Change Adapter Settings. Click on that. Now you'll see your network adapters. Find your Wi-Fi connection, or Ethernet if you're using a cable, and right-click on it. Select Properties from the menu. A new window will open showing different items used by your connection. Look for Internet Protocol version 4, TCP over IPv4, and double-click on it to open its settings. Here's the important part. Check if there are any numbers typed into the IP address or DNS fields. If you see numbers entered manually, delete them and leave the fields blank, or make sure the options are set to Obtain an IP address automatically and Obtain DNS server address automatically. Having numbers in these fields can mean a manual IP configuration was entered before, which may now be causing the issue. Once you've cleared everything, click OK. Next, repeat the same process for Internet Protocol version 6, TCP over IPv6. Double-click it, check if any numbers are manually entered, and remove them if necessary. Again, make sure it's set to Obtain addresses automatically. Then click OK and close all the open windows. Now we're going to check your VPN settings. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. Go to Network and Internet, then click on VPN. If you see options like Allow VPN over metered networks or Allow VPN while roaming, turn those off. If you're connected to a VPN, disconnect it completely for now, because VPNs can sometimes interfere with DNS and website loading. After that, still under Network and Internet, click on Proxy. Make sure all proxy settings are turned off. If a proxy server is enabled without you realizing it, it can block websites from loading properly even though your internet is technically connected. Finally, if the problem still isn't fixed, we'll perform a network reset. Go back to Network and Internet, scroll down, and click on Advanced Network Settings. Look for the Network Reset option and click on that, then press Reset Now. This will reinstall your network adapters and return everything to default settings. Your computer may restart after this step. Once your system comes back on, reconnect to your Wi-Fi and test your browser again. In most cases, this completely resolves the issue. And that's it, a quick and effective way to fix DNS problems when your internet works, but websites won't load.